I use a machine. Ah! James writes on a blackboard. And Richard lobs fruit into a caravan. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Good evening, hello, thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Now, in the not very olden days, Jaguar had a worldwide reputation for, I was going to say quality, not quality, but quietness, comfort, restrained good looks, and value. Now, though, they've introduced a new car which seems to be only about one thing: speed. 120, 130, 140, into fifth, 150, 160, 170, in a jag! Come on! Apparently, with a long enough runway, it will hit 186. Whoa! This isn't long enough. Oh, ow, ow. So, welcome everyone to the new XKR-S, the most powerful road car Jaguar has ever made. The supercharged V8 has been recalibrated and the exhausts beefed up, so that now it fires 542 horsepower at the rear wheels. That's on the edge of Ferrari territory.